Changing a filter. Number 1, shut off power to the furnace. Number 2, remove the filter access door. Number 3, remove the filter, making note of the airflow direction. Number 4, install the clean filter. If you're unsure of the airflow direction, generally the arrow points toward the furnace. Number 5, Bovio does not recommend using 1-inch pleated filters as they can restrict airflow. Number 6, consider upgrading to a media cabinet style filter to provide better air quality in your home. Number 7, turn on power to the furnace.